አሁን ደግሞ ይዤላችሁ የቀረብኩኝ ስለ ድሪፍት ቬሎሲቲ ነው። ድሪፍት ቬሎሲቲ ምን ማለት ነው? It is the average velocity of free charge carriers in a conductor due to an electric field. It's the velocity and it is the average velocity of randomly moving charge carriers. ለምሳሌ አንድ ኮንዳክተር እንውሰድና ካን ቢ ኮፐር ኦር አሉሚኒየም በውስጡ ኮንዳክሽን ኤሌክትሮኖች አሉ። ሶ ይሄኛው ኮንዳክተር ወደ ኤክስተርናል ሶርስ ኮኔክት ብናደርገው this conduction electrons will start moving መንቀሳቀስ ይጀምራሉ። አሁን ሲንቀሳቀሱ ራንደምሊ ነው የሚጓዙት ማለት ነው። ሶ ራንደምሊ በሚጓዙበት ሰዓት ፍጥነታቸው በግጭት ምክንያት ሊቀንስ ይችላል። አሁን ራንደም ሞሽን ነው የሚኖራቸው። and there will be a collision between the electrons themselves or with the walls of that conducting material ማለት ነው። ሶ አቨሬጅ ፍጥነታቸውን ነው ካልኩሌት የምናደርገው። ይሄኛው አቨሬጅ ፍጥነታቸው ደግሞ ምን ብለን እንጠራዋለን? ድሪፍት ቬሎሲቲ ይባላል። So let us derive this drift velocity. Crossing a given cross-sectional area ነው የሚነግረን ያለ። So the number of electrons is given by capital N multiplied by change in volume. Where this capital N ይሄኛው ምንድነው የሚያሳየን? The number of electrons per unit volume ነው. And we multiply this by change in volume. አሁን እዚህ ጋር change in volume በchange in volume እንኳን ካንስል አውት ብናደርገው the term on the left and on the right ምንድነው የሚነግረን? number of electrons ነው የሚነግረን ማለት ነው። ሶ change in volume ግን ምንድነው? change in volume ደግሞ since the electrons are moving a distance of change in x and crossing a cross-sectional area of A, then the volume that the electrons cover will be the area multiplied by change in x. Okay, number of electrons በዚህኛው ካገኘን when we multiply the number of electrons by the charge on each electron, we will get the amount of charge which travels that distance change in x in crossing the cross-sectional area A ማለት ነው። So the total charge is given by capital N multiplied the area multiplied by the distance they traveled and the charge on each electron. ምክንያቱም the distance they traveled is changing x ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ግን እዚህ ላይ አሁን distance of change in x ሲጓዙ ርቀቱ በምን እናገኛለን ማለት ነው? the drift velocity multiplied by change in time. So let us replace change in x by the drift velocity multiplied by time. Okay, so the amount of charge that travels distance change in x will be given by this equation. The number of charges per unit volume multiplied by the area multiplied by the drift velocity multiplied by the time taken to travel that distance A and the charge on each electron. So dividing both sides by changing in time, we will have the current. The current will be the number of electrons per unit volume multiplied by the area drift velocity times the charge on each electron. Again, rearranging this equation, we will have the drift velocity to be the current over the number of electrons per unit volume multiplied by the area and the charge on each electron. This is the equation for drift velocity. Okay, let us have an example on this. An example is less in Israel. Meninal calculate the drift velocity of the charge carriers in a sample of semiconductor which has cross-sectional area of 10 millimeter square if the current is 10 milliampere and the number of charge carriers density is 6 times 10 to the power of 23 per meter cubed. Okay, let us come to the solution. Given that the already ተጽፏል. Our current is 10 milliampere. The area is 10 millimeter square. and the number of charge carriers per unit volume is 6 times 10 to the power of 23 per meter cubed, and the charge on each electron will be 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulomb per electron. And the required is the drift velocity, and it is symbolized by the current over capital N times area times the charge on each electron ማለት ነው። Substituting the given values, the drift velocity of that electrons will be 0.0104 meter per second.